Top stories. CM Biren flags off Imphal Airport Express along with other inter-district bus services. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chosen for 2018 Seoul Peace Prize. And PAC still in bed safe in various hill areas despite government's efforts. Hello, good evening. This is Times of Manipur. It's me, Haripriya Tongbram, presenting today's news. And now let's have the news in details. Chief Minister N. Biren flew off Airport Express along with various bus services from ISBT Khuman Lampak today. The other bus services fetched off were bound for Tamenglong, Tamai, Kamjong, Nungba, Khaupum and Chandel.
Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren has flagged off the MST inter-district bus services for Tamenglong, Nungba, Khaupum, Kamjong, Jesami, Tamai and Airport Express at ISBT Khuman Lampak today. The Chief Minister has also said that the state government meets the desires of the people living in far-flung areas by providing the commuters the facility to travel from their respective district to Imphal with a cheaper price.
Jesami dagi, Tamai dagi, Kamjong dagi, lapra praja singsina, Imphal gadi lakningba, or Imphal dagi susaningba, madugi transportation di laitaba, lanai di Puthoga su tawbangam da ba sugumbagi difficulties mayamdo lisang sidna ura kanda launch tawna ba ba.
He also maintained that a helicopter service will be launched for Tamenglong and More on October 25 and a trial service will be resumed on October 28, 2018.
Christmas lakpaga mangoi na Christmas mamang sida huji koi yangwana helicopter service si kan taknar ka Home Ministry la kai da kan taknar matung da yar pani 85-25 masi jiri di paire adu masi anuba pai ga da base huji tarik kun ga mapan da o tarik kun manga da koi trial rama ngasa dagi ta samul lai na kong ga hai do ni helicopter se yar di
Transport Commissioner M. Lakshmi Kumar, who hosted the event, also said that the Transport Department under Government of Manipur is providing a smooth connectivity to the people of rural areas for convenience, comfort and safety, and added that another 12 buses are in pipeline to be introduced soon.
This is a very historic day for us because earlier we have launched only 6 routes. Now today we have added 6 more routes, mostly on the hill areas. Our target was mostly to connect the difficult and remote places. That we have been able to do.
Ministers, MLAs, high-ranking officials and people from different hill districts attended the event.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been chosen for 2018 Seoul Peace Prize. The Seoul Peace Prize Foundation of South Korea has selected Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the prestigious prize for his contribution to the growth of the Indian and global economies and for reducing social and economic disparity between the rich and poor. The award committee lauded the demonetization drive, anti-corruption measures and social integration efforts of Modi government. Even as the state government has been making great efforts to make proper healthcare facilities available in the hill areas, there are still many villages wherein the health centers are functioning without basic facilities.
The health centers in hill districts of Manipur is considered to be the most backward with low economy, healthcare facilities and lack of staffs. One such center is the primary health center of Machi in Tengnoupal district, where a total of 282 families are residing at present. Studies show that various health-related issues are found in many hill districts of Manipur, and the health status of tribal women is extremely low, facing various issues from early childhood to motherhood.
Handak ikui-kuidana ay angang delivery case ke mi ani ama soy kine. Adu asida primary health center thambase kuidi kui grabne adubu asida angang nongaina una aibse ngasi phabu record ti phangdri sarkar ki lomda aikoina haijaning bajina kaino ana layeng shangnina moige ahing khangde nungthing khangde akhoi ana base asini haibe leitabnina akhoi moigi asi health center se khara regular oina run tobio aduga doctor su cho khara regular oina kabio haina sida tariba doctor mayam sibu jo regular oina kabio haina aina government side su khara request hojani.
The villagers have appealed the government and the health department of the state to encourage professionals to regularly attend their assigned areas in order to improve and bring solution to such issues, challenges, and for the betterment of overall health status.
All Manipur Church Organization today took out a procession in protest against the government's proposal to take up development projects in the church area at Lamphel. The procession was taken out from Thao ground at Thangmeibu. Those who took part in the procession marched towards Khuyathong and adjoining areas.
Bangal pariba, administration pariba, ikai kum nazariba, leiba asi bunga nana bagi magta, isona sinariba, anga mathau singna, achan mirai naidana, pajana chathabiraga, charging asisu. Adum regularize to biro, atei to bu yadrabadi, yarabadi, karkin magta charge yadabno. Madu kita magta ekoi release thajabani.
The Lamsang Naga Panchayat and Mahut Department conducted bamboo plantation campaign around the areas of Lamding Solid Waste Management. Mahut Director Hari Kumar said the Lamding Solid Waste is around 1.3 kilometers in the area. The reason behind the campaign is to keep the surrounding area clean. Since the campaign was previously launched by former Mahut Director, it is conducted today for the first time as the continuation of the campaign. Former Director Git Kumar, volunteers of Lamsang Naga Panchayat, Councillor, Chairperson and the locals of the area took part in the campaign. The second Manipuri Saireng Numit Manipuri Poetry Day observance organized by the Fiction and Poetry Club Manipur was held at MDU Hall, Yaiskul today. Dr. T. Mania, advisor to the Fiction and Poetry Club Professor in Tombi, where the man gazed at the observance. Speaking at the observance, Dr. T. Mania said, making efforts to promote the literary treasure of Manipur is a good step. It doesn't only encourage the writers but also increases the value of the language. As part of the observance, a journal titled Mapau and Tahir Sanjabam Poetry Book, Lakini Amuk Hanna and Parshuram Poetry Book, Matam Amagi Saireng were also released.
Manipur University creation is the only almost settled the way. Masida, Mayana, Akudu, Sibuda, when we have books, we have to do the Hadaki, Manipur University, Gramas Yada, but then the paralysis and hope the whole how we hold the third is that. Level for the question of him. The four having measure of having in the Liraka, Simadana, Hamuzina, Yamas,
And now let's have a short break. Welcome back. Bishnupur police seized a huge quantity of India-made foreign liquor from the house of Kiam Biri, a resident of Tera Khongsang Lekai on Tuesday. A team of Bishnupur police led by SDPO Sivakanta along with the local Merapaibis recovered the liquor around 5:30 in the evening during a search drive. Personnel of 11 ARNF 3 UNIF trainee cadets SDA were crossing the international border area near Sunrise Ground at Mori. The personnel acted on a tip-off regarding their movement and executed the mission successfully. This was informed in a press release issued by the PRO of the 11AR located at Mori. The press release further informed that the 3 cadres, all teenagers, had joined the militant outfit on October 5. However, they were on a run from the training camp as they were nabbed by AR personnel. An IED was found placed on a campus of EFCI Kainong Meitei Church under the jurisdiction of Bishnupur Police Station around 8:30 this morning. Members of the church discovered IED as they were cleaning the surrounding areas of the church building. The police, along with bomb experts, arrived at the spot and safely removed the bomb. Later, the IED was disposed of at a state place. Justice after RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat Dasera address made a strong case for the construction of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya. BJP President Amit Shah and Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath are meeting RSS, SAH Sarkar Yabha, Krishna Gopal and other senior Sangha functionaries. The meeting holds significance and Amit Shah is visiting despite being busy with election in the state. The senior-most leaders of the party are tight-lipped over likely deliberation and describe it as coordination meeting between the TIP and RSS. Blessing seeking ceremony of BP Films Manipuri digital film Yai Thaki Thambal was held at Hotel Classic Grand today. MLAT Robindro, Chairman of Film Forum Manipur, S. Mangijao and social worker H. Bikram were the main guests at the function. Gokul Usharani, Santa Ganeshyam are in the lead roles. Producer of the film is Balakuman, while screenplay and direction is Bichgupta Laishram. Speaking at the function, MLAT Robindro said Manipuri film plays an important role to bring about peace and harmony.
Entertainment media ma oi sigatu natana mami kuma isina koi film sina akoi mioi bagi gyani bukai su chaukalan bagi media masoi.
And now let's take a look at some of the top stories of the local dailies.
Sangai Express, Lupa Crore Chani Yankai Mari ki project ama CM nan thaudokre. Manipur ki ITI sing niyam indre, OST center sing staff laitabadagi mathau taudre. Pogna Firm, Indo-German Financial Cooperation Project haudokre. Zoom cultivation ki mahuta kanaba pambi thahalle. Chief Minister, Khulakpo sing lakpa haure, hauk chongba thauram gi di jingmi gi awat pa lairoi. Kelvin, Center na state khudingmakta Central Secretariat sanaba thaurang tauri. Naharol gi Thogdang, Chief Minister na Loktak Livelihood Mission launch tawkre. English ani kun fawda lamdam sigi ngagi pothok marang kaina puthok pangam lagani Chief Minister. State Exchequer gi fiom ka hena sokchi lakbadagi matam kaktana sel kaithok kasin tawba thingjin khre. Police ki tengwang yaugdrabadi hingba yaroidaba khunai sida Human Rights Commission sing mapangal kalhanba tangai fade khaidem mani. Huyan Lan Pau, Indo-German Project on Forest Management launch tawkre. Maru Kogluraba umang hectare lising kun mathoi ga chanipan sanghalagani. MLA Minister Singi quarter mamang the lagaw khawre. Lagaw khaw danaba district magistrate na khangan khre. Mera thaumui thanbagi thoram luang ningthau punsibagi matamda hawdokhi. Kondumba Sanalai Bak Lokak Livelihood Mission hawdokre. Tha ahum gi manungda mission asi kanaba uhangadabani. Chief Minister Sahi nipan gi matungda accused Belen maral leite hain lauthokre. Drug lalonba ahum phare. ECL Express CM na Loktak Livelihood Mission launch tawkre. Pisciculture chathanaba lam hectare listing amarom masak khangdoklei NBRN. Police personnel singi nongmagi oiba sensitization pangthokre. Festival singda jwar gi masana sing athingba thamkre. Iraibak Aing sa honglakpana saukhat thorangda kaihalakli. For konana pare. Mamangi laingak na nga marang kai na puthok na ba honaramdrabasu kum lising ani kundagi Manipur da nga marang kai gani, Chief Minister.
Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. CM Biren flags off Imphal Airport Express along with other inter-district bus services. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chosen for 2018 Sheol Peace Prize. And PAC still in bed safe in various hill areas despite government's efforts. That's all for now, and thank you for joining us and have a good day.